In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file in Lovable A. If you want the assistant to reference a document, an image, or a dataset, while attaching a file is the quickest way to provide context. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can do this confidently every time. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see the main workspace where you normally chat with the assistant. We'll be working directly from the prompt box, the text area where you type your request. Keep an eye on the small controls inside that box because that's where the file option lives. Click inside the prompt box to activate it, then look for the plus sign button built into the box. This expands a small menu of extra actions. Choose Attach to tell Lovable that you want to include something with your prompt. Next, select File. These two clicks open up the file attachment flow and prepare Lovable to accept a document from your device. When you do that, a side panel or pop-up appears. That's normal, and it's your file picker. Use it to browse to the location of the item you want to share. Select the file you need. A clear, final version with a descriptive name is best, especially if you plan to reuse it later. If the file is large, give it a moment to upload before moving on. After selection, you should see confirmation in the prompt area, often as a small chip or thumbnail showing the file name. That means the attachment is ready. Now start your prompt in the text box just like you usually would. Be explicit about how you want the assistant to use the file. For example, summarize the attached report and highlight next steps. Or answer using the data in the attached spreadsheet. Clear instructions help the model focus on the right sections and produce more relevant results. That's it. By attaching your file before you write your request, you ensure the assistant has the exact context it needs. If you ever don't see the plus button or the attach option, make sure your cursor is in the prompt box on the dashboard. Follow these same clicks anytime you need to add a file, and you'll keep your conversations precise, efficient, and grounded in the right source material.